Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to join and leave groups on Roblox. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go ahead and jump in. I'll be working off of my iPhone in the Roblox app, so you can meet me there. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign in. From there, you're going to go ahead and hit the three dots at the bottom right-hand corner. And then from there, we're going to go down until you see groups. Go ahead and click on groups now. From there, you can go ahead and search for the group if you know the group's name, or you can go through and look for the group that you want. It's super simple to go ahead and log into one. You can just click on that group. It will bring up that group's information. To join the group, you can hit join group. From there, it says I've successfully joined this group. And then to delete a group, all you have to do is click on that group again and hit these three dots at the top right-hand corner and hit leave group, and then yes. It's super simple. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.